Guys, ayan na naman kayo. Inayos ko na to, remember? Diba nang sabi ko dito? Ano bang topic natin? 18 years old o elderly? Diba elderly to guys? Hypertensive, no? Diagnosed elderly with hypertension. Yun. Paano 18 years old? It's so easy. You just have to read it, no? You just have to read it. Yun lang ang task nyo na. Ang daling mag-copy-paste. Ang dali-dali mag-copy-paste. And yes, nakakatulong. Definitely yes. Pero, putya naman, oh. Read it, no? You have to read it. Diba? So, nagmamadali tayo. Sabihin ko, sige, sabi ko, diba, I'll check it in the morning. No? So, dami ko ng pagod dito, diba? Dami ko ng puyat. Dami nating puyat dito. Di naman lahat active. Parang ilan lang yung active. Tapos yun, babasahin lang. Yan lang ang task. Babasahin na lang. 18 years old. Yan ang participant natin. 18 years. Hindi participant. Elderly nga. 18 years old. Ayusin no. I will not fix this until you finish this. Okay? So, diba? Sige. I'll wait. No, ayusin nyo yan. I'll do the others first.